Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Doge could be working still on this C wave to the downside. In the yellow scenario, I find the yellow scenario a very reasonable interpretation here. Let me explain the yellow scenario here on the smaller time frame to you once more. But yeah, as I said, I find it a very reasonable scenario, and the idea is that a larger degree wave 4 bottomed here on the 20th of December in this scenario. The market formed the wave 1 to the upside. I consider this here still a wave 2 as a flat correction. In this flat correction, the price could easily form one more low because key support is between 31.4 cents and 27.9. So we are still in this support area, or actually the price already tested support, and we could get one more low easily without breaking support. But below 28 cents, the yellow scenario will become less likely. But I find it quite a reasonable scenario. Again, the price could form one more low, and I find it quite a good, I think there's a good chance of price holding. It's a reasonable scenario. However, being a reasonable scenario, and then if the price eventually really holds support, that, you know, they are two different questions. What I can tell you is that below 27.9 cents, what I will consider is that wave 4, which presumably bottomed on the 20th of December, is likely still unfolding. In that case, the focus will shift to the next support, but it's larger wave degree support, larger time frame support. And yeah, in this case, it's 25 cents, but then not anymore in a 1-2 setup, but in the still unfolding wave 4, probably as a so-called WXYX Z pattern. This is a rare pattern. You could also call it a WXY. Essentially not a great difference, but for now I'm watching for a potential reaction. Now, as I said, there is already a reaction, but this could be very well simply be an internal wave 4 bounce, which might form one more low. There is no signal that in this internal yellow wave 4 bounce that a top has formed, because the decline from the top is in 3 waves. So absolutely no evidence. Yeah, it could easily climb a little bit higher. A break above 35.3 cents is the first indication that we don't get one more low in the yellow scenario. But then we would still need to rule out the green count, which could be a B wave bounce. Okay, so it's about, we have an initial resistance between 34.3 and 35.3 cents. Any break above it will make the yellow one more low less likely, will at the same time increase probabilities that in the yellow wave 2 a low has formed already, but then there's one more pivot to cross, so the bulls will need to drive the price above that upper resistance area, and then step by step this will unlock prices in the region around 48 cents next. Then we talk about the December high and the November high. If that is taken out, then the price should get finally towards 59 cents next. This correction has, again, been taken quite a long time now. I know it's quite boring. We're just waiting for evidence that this correction finishes. And there are 2 support areas we're watching. The upper one for the yellow count and the lower one for a wider wave 4. But so far, not any convincing evidence yet that a low is in. I will keep you updated, but still overall a bullish thesis. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.